What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Akim Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to correctly fill out your tax form to reduce the 30% tax. Now this is specifically for a person who is a non-US resident. What you need to do is to go into your Google Adsense, then you go to payment, then you're going to click on payment info. Now once you click on payment info, you will be greeted with this dashboard right here. As you can see right here, I have previously set up this form already. And you can see we see motion pictures and TV, 10% claim right there. And for this one, say copyright, I have 10% claim right there. And service right here, I have up to 0% claim right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Now what you want to do is submit a new form. Then you're going to start a new form. Then you're going to just verify your account so that you're the person who is having this right here. This entity right here, then I'm going to click on individual, going to click on next. Then are you a citizen of the United States? Obviously you're going to click no. Then what you're going to do, you're going to choose this form right here, which is said WE8 Ben form. Then you're going to start the form right here. Then what you're going to do, you're going to fill out all this information. One of the most important part right here is to choose your country. Now choosing country is going to matter most in terms of how many tax is reduced from whatever country that you choose. So my country is Jamaica. I'm going to click on that. I'll click on next. Then put in your address right there. If your address is same as your resident address, you're going to click on that. Then put in information. The US tax law imposes a 30% withhold tax on payment that are considered US source income tax. Now this means that whenever your viewers are coming from US, it means that a 30% will be withheld from that viewership. This means that it is only from the US audience or the viewers coming from the US will be taxed. Now, if you don't sign up your tax form, it will be generally from all of your viewers' income, which is on YouTube. So what you need to check on right here is that if that you are eligible to reduce tax rate. Now, you're going to click on yes, and then you're going to select your country right here. So you can see that all the country that is listed, they're going to choose your country that is listed. So my country right here is listed, which is Jamaica. So I'm going to click on that, which is going to be able to make price rate is reducible. You're going to click on the all the service right here. And then you're going to select the paragraph. And then you're going to select the tax rate. So you can see right there, mine is reduced treaty rate up to 10%, which I showed you earlier on. And this one right here, you can see, select the paragraph, and this one is be able to reduce at least 0% right there, and this one right here is also be able to reduce 10%. As you can see guys, 10%, 0%, 10% right there. Then you're going to move on to the next step and fill out the entire documents right here. And then right here, what you want to do, you're going to decide whichever way that you want them to send you. Is it by email? Is it by documentation right here? I got it by email. Whatever way you choose is just perfect. Then you click on next, and then you can sign off on the documents. Very easy step. So the main purpose of this is to show you guys how to withhold the 30% tax into this right here. I'm not going to go any further because I really don't want to submit another documents because I have already completed that. But I get that you guys understand how to set up this form right here. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.